Hey GraphicsFlow users, your October art drop is here. We've loaded this month with winter-ready designs that help you move faster, say yes to more jobs, and keep your production calendar full through the cold season. Kick things off on the mountain. Fresh layouts for ski, snowboard, curling, and snowshoe events. Perfect for resorts, clubs, rental shops, and winter festivals. Drop in a trail name, lodge logo, or event date, and you've got sellable merch in minutes. Next up, arena and gym season. Hockey, basketball, swim, gymnastics, and wrestling. These templates are built for spirit wear programs, team packages, and booster fundraising. Clean fonts, strong mascots, and easy color swaps to match any school. For getaway gear and destination shops, we added cozy cabin and winter retreat designs. Ideal for lodge stores, senior trips, church retreats, and family trips. Think hoodies, beanies, and mugs that actually move. Holiday season is coming fast. Use these festive, print-ready layouts for company parties, school events, and limited drops in your online store. Quick to customize, easy to bundle. And because fall and winter are prime fundraising months, you'll find versatile fundraiser templates you can brand for schools, clubs, and nonprofits, built to launch campaigns quickly and drive higher order totals. Every design is fully editable in GraphicsFlow. Swap names, dates, colors, and mascots fast. Save time, boost sales, and keep jobs flowing all season long. Log in now to explore the October art drop, only on GraphicsFlow.